So the next topic of discussion is constant motion along a smooth inclined plane. In the previous video, we have discussed the motion of a particle on a smooth inclined plane. And now what does the constant motion means? When there is a motion of a particle in a restricted way, then we say that it is in a constant motion. So in this article, what is the situation? What is the situation? This is the situation. This is an inclined plane. So inclined plane will be this one. This is our inclined plane, and one particle is placed on this inclined plane and is connected by a string which passes over a pulley and with the second particle which is hanging vertically. So now the motion of this particle is in the restricted way, because this particle, this mass m1 will descend, and then according to if this particle will ascend, then this particle will move upward. So its motion is restricted by this particle. That's why this is known as the constant motion along a smooth inclined plane. So now just reading the statement of the article, two masses m1 and m2 are connected by a string. m2 is placed on a smooth plane. जो particle with mass m2 है उसਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ plane ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ place ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ, inclined at an angle alpha to the horizontal, और plane ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ angle है वो alpha हैगा अपने कोल, right? So this angle is given to be alpha, and the string after passing over a smooth pulley at the top of the plane supports m1. So this is the string which passes over the pulley, and it supports another particle of mass m1 which hangs vertically. If m1 descends, find the resulting motion. So m1 descend कर रहा हैगा तो इसका मतलब m2 जेड़ा है आपका inclined plane move करेगा, and we have to discuss the motion. The mass m1 moves vertically downwards while the mass m2 moves up the plane. So let f be the common acceleration, as it is already been discussed in the first lecture of the motion of particles connected by the string, that the acceleration of two particles connected by a string will be always be common acceleration. So let f be the common acceleration and t be the tension. And also when the plane is smooth, then the tension in the string will also be same throughout all the portion of the string. So in the same way, let us suppose the equations of motion of the masses m1 and m2. So firstly, m1 is descending due to its weight m1g, but the tension force will be in the direction upwards. So m1g is, so in the direction of the motion of the particle m1 will be considered as the positive direction, that is downwards. So m1g is positive, t is negative, and fundamental equation of dynamics, mass into effective force is equal to mass into acceleration. Similarly, for the particle which is placed on the inclined plane, so as we have discussed in the previous video lecture, the motion of a particle on an inclined plane, what we have discussed there, that if this is the particle, its weight will act vertically downwards, m2g, but if this angle is alpha, then this angle will also be alpha. It is discussed in detail in the previous video lecture, you can see here. So if this angle is alpha, then the component of m2g in this direction will be m2g cos alpha, and in this direction it will be m2g sin alpha. So because this particle is moving up the plane, so acceleration the direction upwards होएगी, ते m2g sin alpha ਜਿਹੜਾ component of force ਦਾ downward act कर रहा हैगा, ते upward ਹੋਰ कौन act कर रहा है, the tension of the string, क्योंकि जिधर ਨੂੰ particle है उसको हमेशा opposite direction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ tension force ਅਸੀਂ suppose करेंगे. So what will be the effective force for this particle if we discussed in up the plane motion, m2g, t will be the positive, and क्योंकि particle इस direction में move कर रहा है, so this direction will be considered as the positive direction. So t will be positive minus m2g sin alpha and equal to mass into acceleration m2s. And by adding these two equations, what we get the value of the acceleration. So the motion is discussed, the particles are moving with this common acceleration, and by substituting this value of f, if we substitute this value of f in 1, इसके विच f की वैल्यू जैसे substitute कर दिए, then t की वैल्यू साडे कोल solve हो जाएगी. So t की value after simplification we will get this thing. Now if the mass m2 were placed on a horizontal table, ਹੁਣ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਡਿਡਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਜੋ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਲੈਕਚਰ ਨੰਬਰ 3 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ, motion of two particles connected by a string कि particle ਜਦੋਂ horizontally place ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ string बन के second particle उरे attach ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਇਹੀ ਵਾਲੀ ਸਿਚੁਏਸ਼ਨ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੈਗੀ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਵਾਲਾ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲ ਇਨਕਲਾਈਨਡ ਪਲੇਨ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਪੁਲੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਣ ਕੇ ਇਹ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲ ਐਵੇਂ ਹੈਂਗ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ तो ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ what we can say that if this angle turns to zero, if this angle turns to zero, then the situation becomes same as of this article कि एक particle horizontally place कितना है और एक vertically hang कर रहा है. So then alpha will be zero, and if we put alpha equal to zero in value of t and in value of f, we will get the same values which we have discussed in the video lecture 3. F was m1 by m1 plus m2g, which is deducted by substituting here alpha equal to 0, then sin alpha will be 0, and here if we put alpha 0, then we will get the value of t as same is in the article of this situation. तो इस तरह इसको भी डिडक्शन हो कितनी जा सकती है. And now the pressure on the pulley will be because here we have the tension force and here we have the tension force, so the resultant of these two tension forces will be the pressure on the pulley. So the resultant of two forces T and T, two equal forces the resultant acting at an angle pi by 2 minus alpha. So now how is its angle is pi by 2 minus alpha? Let us check it. किमें है angle pi by 2 minus alpha होएगा इस triangle नु अगर complete कर लेता जावे. So this angle is pi by 2 and pi by 2 and alpha. Then obviously this angle between T and T will be pi by 2 minus alpha. So T and T at an angle pi by 2 minus alpha. So using the formula of resultant, that was R is equals to under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos alpha. And alpha is the angle between the forces. P and Q both are equal to T, and the angle is pi by 2 minus alpha. And on simplifying it, you will get under root 2T 1 plus sin alpha, and T the value substitute करने के बाद this will be the pressure on the pulley. And condition for no motion, if we want to say that कि ये particles में move नहीं करेंगे, so the system was initially at rest, it will have no motion if f is 0. So obviously when the acceleration is 0, then there will be no motion. So acceleration 0, तो इधर मतलब आ गया m1 minus m2 sin alpha equal to 0. That is when m1 by m2 ratio किसके बराबर होएगी sin alpha, then there will be no motion. Considered for downward motion of m1. So ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹੀ assume ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ ਆਰਟੀਕਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪਾਰਟੀਕਲ ਉਰੇ ਪਲੇਸ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈਗਾ vertically downwards, ਇਹ ਨੀਚੇ ਵੱਲ ਨੂੰ ਮੂਵ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ. ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਗਰ ਇਸ ਦਾ weight ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਵੇ ਇਹ ਇੱਧਰ ਨੂੰ ਮੂਵ ਕਰੇ ਤੇ ਇਹ upward ascend ਕਰੇ. So इस आर्टिकल ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿਹੜੀ एक्सेलरेशन बनाई सी वो इसे कंडीशन च बनाई सी कि f downwards m1 ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ downwards move कर रहा है. So the condition for the downward motion of m1 is if f is greater than 0. So f greater than 0 means we will find m1 by m2 is greater than sin alpha. Now if we place both the particles on the inclined planes, so next article is based on that condition. Two smooth planes of equal heights and inclination alpha beta. These are the two smooth planes. They are of equal height. The height is same of both the planes. This is the common height, and but their inclinations are different. The inclination of first plane is alpha, and the inclination of the second plane is beta, and are placed back to back. और दोनों ने नाल जोड़ के बिल्कुल आप रखा हुआ है का पूरे attach किया हुआ है क्या अंदर मतलब. That's why they are saying placed back to back. Two masses m1 and m2 are placed on their inclined faces and are connected by light inextensible string passing over a smooth pulley. और ਇਹ ਦੋਵੇਂ ਮਾਸਿਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਰੱਖੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਔਰ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸਟ੍ਰਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬੰਨਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਇਸ ਪੁਲੀ ਨਾਲ ਕਨੈਕਟਡ ਹੈ. At the common vertex of the two planes, if m1 descends, now what is given to us? This particle is moving downwards. M1 descends, then obviously m2 will ascends. So is the acceleration the direction upward? Is the acceleration the direction downwards? Find the acceleration of the system and the tension in the state. So what we have to do again, because now both are placed on inclined planes, so the weight is m2g vertically downwards. So this angle will be beta with the perpendicular direction of the plane. So in this direction, what will be the component? M2g cos alpha, and in this direction m2g sin alpha. Similar cos beta, sorry, because here the angle is beta. And for this particle we have m1g cos alpha, and here m1g sin alpha. So making the equations of motion. So firstly, the forces acting on m1 are the weight m1g vertically downwards, this one, the normal reaction r1, this is the normal reaction of the plane, ठीक है, which always acts perpendicular to the plane, already discussed in the previous video lecture. Motion of a particle on an inclined plane, and the tension T up the plane. So particle is on this side, therefore tension will be, the direction of tension will be taken on this side, the tension T up the plane, and the force is acting on M2. Similarly, the weight M2G vertically downwards, normal reaction R2 of the plane here, and the tension T up the plane. So because M1 and M2 do not move in perpendicular direction, इस direction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ motion नहीं है, ना इस direction ना इस direction, ਇਹ ਇਸੇ direction ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ motion ਕਰਦਾ ਪਿਆ। So ਜਿਵੇਂ previous video lecture motion of a particle on inclined plane, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਇਹ discussion ਹੋਈ ਸੀ। Then we must have R1 is equal to M1G cos alpha. For its detail, you can see that video. R2 is equal to M2G cos beta. Now equation of motion of mass M1 along the plane. So M1 the equation of motion जैसी discuss करिए। M1 नीचे वाले में ascend कर रहा हैगा, so this will be considered as positive, M1G sin alpha, and T will be considered as negative because T is in the opposite direction. So equal to mass into acceleration. Similarly for M2, but for M2 this direction is positive, so M2G sin beta, this component of the force will be treated as negative and T as positive. And after adding, we will get F equal to this, and substituting the value of F in any one of these equation, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਇੱਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ substitute ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ F ਦੀ value, then you will get the value of T. So now the questions. Firstly, example 1, find the value of W, knowing that the 3 kg block slides 20 meter up the inclined plane in 4 seconds starting from rest. So what we have to find, this figure is given to us in the question. So the weight W, the value of the weight W we have to find, the mass W, or you can say, so here is the mass W, and it is obviously its weight Wg will act vertically downwards, and the second particle which is placed on the inclined plane, 3 kg, its mass is 3 kg, so its weight will be 3g, this one, and it slides 20 meter up the inclined plane. So a ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਇਹ 20 meter ਦਾ distance cover ਕਰ ਗਿਆ in 4 seconds, 20 meter ਦਾ distance cover ਕੀਤਾ in 4 seconds starting from rest. So initially u will be taken as 0 for this particle. So what we have to find, we have to find the value of W. So firstly we will calculate the acceleration of the motion. Let F be the acceleration of the block up the plane. Its u is 0, T is 4, S is 20. So by this formula, what we get, the acceleration of the system, that is F is equal to 5/2 meter per second square. And if we get the acceleration of the system, now making the equation of motion of both the particles as in the article we have made. So what is the equation of motion for the mass W? It is moving downwards, so Wg is positive, T will be taken as negative because it is descending, so that positive direction is downwards. So Wg minus T equal to Wf, and this particle is upward, moving upward. So the component of the weight is 3g cos 30 here and 3g sin 30 here, because this angle is given to us is 30 degree. So this direction will be treated as positive. So T minus 3g sin 30 equal to 3f, and on adding we will get adding 1 and 2, we will get this equation, and the value of acceleration is already find it. So substituting the value of F here, and on simplifying what we get, we will get the value of W, and which we need to find. This is all about this question. So the next question is, a body of mass 4 kg is placed at the bottom of the plane, inclined at 30 degree to the horizontal and of length 4 meter. So plane the बारे information given है कि plane with the inclination जेडी है that is 30 degree and the length of the plane is 4 meters. So it is connected by a string. So this is the situation. So this is the plane which is of length 4 meter and its inclination is 30 degree, and body जेडी इस दे ऊपर place कितनी है, उसका mass हैगा 4 kg. This is of 4 kg mass. तो इस बॉडी ਨੂੰ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ bottom of the plane ਤੇ place ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, ਪੂਰੇ place ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ, and after time t it moves to this position. It is connected by a string passing over a smooth pulley. ਤੇ ਇਸ ਬॉडी ਨੂੰ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਇੱਕ string ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਪੁਲੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਦੀ ਪਾਸ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ. This is the pulley, and to a mass of 3 kg hanging vertically. और ਇਹ ਪੁਲੀ ਫਿਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਹੈ ਇਸ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ string ਹੈਗੀ ਆ ਇਹ ਪਾਸ ਕਰਵਾ ਕੇ ਇਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਸ mass ਨਾਲ ਅਟੈਚ ਕੀਤਾ ਗਿਆ of 3 kg mass. Find the common acceleration of the masses and the time that elapses before the first particle arrives at the top of the plane. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the time such that this particle reaches at the top of the plane. When this particle reaches here, then we have to calculate the time. So initially the particle is here, so it reaches here. That means it has traveled a distance of 4 meters because the length of the plane was 4 meters given to us. And it was initially placed at here, so its initial velocity will be taken as 0, right? And we have to calculate the time. T ਦੀ value ਅਸੀਂ find ਕਰਨੀ। And because ਦੋਵੇਂ masses ਸਾਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਵਾਰ given ਹੈਗੇ, so ਦੋਵੇਂ masses ਜਦੋਂ given ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਆਰਟੀਕਲ ਦੀ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਸੀਂ acceleration ਦੀ value ਉੱਥੋਂ solve ਕਰ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ। acceleration ਸਾਡੀ find ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ। तो acceleration u and s ਇਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਫਿਰ s is equal to ut plus half ft square ਲਗਾ ਕੇ t ਦੀ value ਅਸੀਂ find ਕਰ ਲਵਾਂਗੇ। So let us see ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ। Let t newtons be the tension in the string and f meter per second square be the acceleration of the system. So equation of motion of the 4 kg mass, it will be, because it is moving upwards, so this direction is positive. So t minus 4g sin 30 equal to 4f. And equation of motion of the second particle, which is hanging vertically, it is moving downwards. So 3g minus t is equals to 3f. 3g minus t, because this direction will be considered as positive. Minus t is equal to 3f, and on adding these two equations, what we will get the value of acceleration. It is 1.4 meter per second square. Now this data is given to us. The particle is starting from s is 4 meter because it has to reach the top of the plane, and f is 1.4 meter per second square. So what we have to do, we have to find the value of t. So apply this formula and substituting the required values and get the value of t. The next question is, a particle of weight 2w is placed on a smooth plane inclined to the horizontal at an angle theta. A string is attached to it and lying along the line of greatest slope over a smooth pulley at the top of the plane and carries a weight w sin theta at its free end. So again we have the same situation again. This particle of mass 2w, of mass 2w is placed on the plane, on a smooth plane inclined to the horizontal at an angle theta. This angle is theta given to us. A string is attached to it. This is the string, and lying along the line of greatest slope. So string ਜਿਹੜੀ has greatest slope ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ plane ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ ਬੰਨੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ, and over a smooth pulley pass करके, और a वाला weight ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈ ਇਹ carry कर रही है w sin theta at its free end. Find the horizontal force applied to the particle on the plane to keep it at rest. ਹੁਣ ਇਸ extra ਕੀ ਹੈਗਾ, ਜਿਹੜਾ plane ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ particle ਰੱਖਿਆ ਸੀ ਇਹਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ ਇੱਕ horizontal force extra ਅਸੀਂ ਲਗਾਈ ਹੈਗੀ। this one, इस क्वेश्चन ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆ ਲਾਸਟ ਲਾਈਨ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ, horizontal force applied to the particle on the plane, ਔਰ ਇਸ horizontal force p ਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਅਸੀਂ find ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈਗਾ ਕਿ what is the magnitude of this force, ਔਰ ਇਹ ਕਿਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਲਗਾਈ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਿਸਟਮ ਆਪਣੇ ਕੋਲ ਹੋਲਡ ਤੇ ਰਵੇ, ਰੈਸਟ ਪੋਜੀਸ਼ਨ ਤੇ ਰਵੇ, ਇਹ ਮਸ਼ੀਨ ਨਾ ਚੱਲੇ। ਸੋ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਐਕਸਟਰਾ ਫੋਰਸ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਲਗਾਣੀ ਪਈ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਇਸ ਦਾ ਮੈਗਨੀਟਿਊਡ ਅਸੀਂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਣਾ। Let P be the tension in the string and P be the force applied to keep at rest the mass on the plane. So what will we have? We will have the acceleration equal to 0 because the system is at rest now. So acceleration will be 0. So the equation of motions are for this particle, this particle which is placed on the plane for 2w, mass into acceleration. Acceleration is 0. So what we can assume, this particle can move upwards if this particle ascends. So if there was an acceleration in the system, then this particle will move upwards, or you can suppose it this direction as a positive direction. Otherwise you can suppose any direction as positive because here the acceleration is 0. So to solve the question, one of the direction should be considered as positive direction. So T minus, so what is the effective force? So 2wg sin theta is in this direction. So this direction we are considering as positive. So T minus 2wg sin theta, and this P is in the horizontal direction. So what is the component of this P along the plane, this one, and perpendicular to the plane, this one. And if this angle is theta, because this is vertical and this is horizontal, then this angle will be 90 minus theta. And what will be the component here? P cos 90 minus theta, that means P sin theta, and P sin 90 minus theta, that means P cos theta. So in this direction, the component of P will be P cos theta. So it is in the sense of the positive direction, so it is taken as positive. And the equation of motion of the second particle, which is hanging It's this direction is considered as positive. So wg sine theta, mass into acceleration is 0, w sine theta g minus t. And after adding them, we will get w is equals to, after adding, because here on the left hand side we have 0 only, so t will be cancelled out and we will get this equation, and the w, the value of p, what we get, w tan theta kg weight. So this is the value we need to find in this question. The next question is, two smooth inclined planes of inclination 30 degree and 60 degree are placed back to back and string passes over a smooth pulley at the top, joins masses m1 and m2 lying on the planes. Find the acceleration of either mass, the tension in the string, and the reaction of the plane. So this question is same as that of the article which we have discussed already, that when there are two planes and both the particles are placed on the inclined planes. So this is the question, and inclination of the planes are given to us 30 degree and 60 degree. And obviously the plane with more inclination, it has the highest slope. So what we can assume that the system is moving in this direction. This particle is descending and this particle will ascend. So that's why we are considering the motion of the plane, the motion of the particle on the plane with inclination 60 degree is descending and this as ascending. So let r1 and r2 be the reaction of the two planes, and acceleration of the system is f meter per second square, and t be the tension. And the equation of motion of mass m1 and m2 are again making the equation of motions as we have discussed in the article already. So we are using this equation directly here, already explained to you in the article. So m1f similarly second particle jeda 30 degree वाले inclination the place कितना होता है equation of motion. So this is m2f, and on adding what we get the value of the acceleration, and that for the value of tension substitute the value of f in one of the equations. So we have copied this equation here, and here we substitute the value of acceleration, and after simplifying it we will get the value of t. And reaction r1 which was derived in the article was equal to, r1 will be equal to, because there is no motion in this direction, so r1 will be equal to this force. These two will balance each other. So r1 is equals to m1g cos 60, so half m1g, and similarly for r2g you can solve, and r2 will be equal to, this r2 will be equal to, m2g cos 30, and you can simplify it. What is the value of cos 30? It is root 3 by 2, so it is root 3 by 2 m2g. This was the value of r2. The next question, again with the two smooth inclined planes of 30 degree are respectively placed to back and back, 30 degree and 60 degree inclinations there, and they are placed back to back, and a string passing over a smooth pulley joins masses of 0.3 and 0.5 lying on the planes. Acceleration of either mass, the tension in the string, and the reaction of the plane. So similar question as we have discussed previously. So here I am showing you the solution, so you can do it on your own. So making the equation of motion for 0.3, and this is the reaction. This is the equation of the mass 0.5, right? Because on the inclination of 30 degree, we have to place the mass of 0.3 kg, and on the inclination of 60 degree respectively is given, so we have to place the mass 0.5 kg. तो बस इस गल का ध्यान रखना है इस क्वेश्चन, बाकी रेस्ट क्वेश्चन जो है वो प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन की तरह ही ये सॉल्व हो जाना है. So this is the complete solution of this question. So you can now solve it.